Welcome back to KetoPedia channel. Today we have a delightful treat for all you keto and low-carb enthusiasts out there. We're going to turn your dinner table into a gourmet restaurant with our scrumptious salmon with avocado salsa recipe. It's the perfect blend of healthy fats and protein, and it's incredibly easy to make. So let's not waste any time and get started on this culinary adventure. Wait, before starting this video, I introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 4-6 oz salmon fillets, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 clove garlic minced or crushed, 1 or 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 or 2 teaspoon cumin, 1 or 2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 or 4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 or 4 teaspoon salt. Ingredients: for the avocado salsa, 1 ripe avocado pitted and diced, 1 or 2 cup tomato diced any type of tomato, 2 tablespoons onion diced, 2 tablespoons cilantro minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have everything in place, let's dive into the recipe. Stir the olive oil, garlic, and spices in a small bowl. Brush or rub salmon with the spice mixture. Heat a large heavy-duty, preferably non-stick pan or grill medium-high heat. Add salmon to the pan and cook for 5 to 6 minutes per side. Remove from pan, top with avocado salsa and serve immediately. Add the avocado, tomato, onion, and cilantro to a large mixing bowl. Drizzle with olive oil, fresh lime juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Gently mix with a spoon until fully combined. Cover with plastic wrap until ready to serve. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Alpilean, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. Click the link in the video description below. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!